Hey everyone, welcome back to Tactical Toss, your go to channel for cricket analytics. I'm Tossie, and today we've got an exciting weekly performance analysis for you, breaking down the top batting and bowling stats of the week based on this data. So let's get started. 1. Batting performance analysis. Let's kick things off with the batting stats. We've got some stellar performances this week, with players showing some serious power in the middle. Here are the top 3 teams and their batting metrics. First up, we've got CSK with a whopping 401 runs in just 2 matches. GT follows closely behind with 432 runs, while RR comes in third with 532 runs in just 3 matches. All 3 teams have been absolutely on fire this week. Now let's look at the top batting averages and strike rates. Shubman Gill has been outstanding with an average of 160 and a strike rate of 181.8. He's been the backbone for his team, scoring consistently at the top. Other notable mentions include Ayush Matre and Prabh Simran, both of whom have shown excellent form in the middle. Ayush has a great strike rate of 187, while Prabh Simran follows with a solid 172. Shifting gears to the bowlers, we've got some fantastic performances in the bowling department as well. The highest number of runs conceded this week comes from Pathirana, who gave away 81 runs in just 2 innings but still managed to take 5 wickets, making him one of the most impactful bowlers this week. Next up, the top performers in terms of economy rate, the bowlers who've been the most restrictive. Mitchell Stark and Varun Chakravarti were excellent, both conceding at rates of 10.75 and 17.75 runs per wicket, respectively. But the real standout is Pathirana, with an outstanding economy rate of 4.36 and a strike rate of 20.25. He's definitely one to watch out for next week. So, what can we take away from this week's analysis? In the batting department, Shubman Gill and Prabh Simran have been the driving forces for their teams. While in bowling, Pathirana and Chahal have been exceptional with both wickets. That's it for this week's analysis, guys. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly cricket stats breakdowns. And hey, if you have any players or teams you'd like to see in next week's analysis, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, stay tactical, stay smart, and keep enjoying the game.